Hello again to tutorial number 6, which covered the Lofted Surface tool. So let's first create some reference planes to create some sketch. So go to Insert, Plane, and so the distance can be 50 millimeters, and insert another reference plane. So let's make some sketches in the three planes, the top plane and the other two planes. So we'll start with top planes. Second plane. So now we have three different sketches in the three parallel planes. So now let's activate the Lofted Surface tool and choose the sketches as we see here. We choose second sketch and third sketch. As we see, it doesn't show anything. That means we can change some in the direction. So now we can see the lifted surface through the three sketches. Also, there are other guiding tools for controlling the lofted surfaces, so that we are going to see in the next lesson. And now I can close this tutorial about Lofted Surface tool.